Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the MassaMAX 2025 A305 Massage Chair. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking for a luxurious full-body massage chair with advanced features designed to provide the ultimate relaxation experience, the MassaMAX 2025 A305 is a top choice. With its zero-gravity recline, SL-track massage system, AI control, body scan technology, and heat therapy, this chair brings the experience of a professional massage right into your home. One of the standout features of this massage chair is the zero-gravity function, which reclines your body into a weightless position, reducing strain on your spine and improving blood circulation. This position helps maximize the effectiveness of the massage by allowing deeper pressure without added stress on your body. The chair offers multiple recline angles, so you can customize the position for ultimate comfort. The SL-track massage system extends from your neck down to your lower back and even your thighs, following the natural curvature of your spine. The Shiatsu massage rollers deliver deep tissue relief, mimicking professional massage techniques like kneading, tapping, and rolling to release muscle tension and stress. With AI control and body scan technology, the A305 automatically detects your body's unique shape and adjusts the massage intensity to provide a tailored experience. This ensures that the massage rollers target the right pressure points for personalized relaxation and muscle recovery. For added comfort, the heated lumbar therapy provides gentle warmth to the lower back, helping to relieve stiffness, improve circulation, and enhance relaxation. The chair also includes air compression massage for the arms, legs, and feet, using rhythmic air pressure to improve blood flow and reduce muscle fatigue. The Calfrest extension is another great feature, automatically adjusting to accommodate users of different heights. Whether you're tall or short, the chair adapts to your body for maximum comfort. Controlling your massage is easier than ever with AI voice control, allowing you to adjust settings with simple voice commands. The chair also comes with an intuitive touchscreen remote, giving you access to various massage modes, speed settings, and recline functions with just a few taps. The MassaMAX 2025 A305 offers multiple massage programs, including deep tissue, relaxation, stretch mode, and sleep mode, so you can choose the perfect setting for your needs. With adjustable intensity levels, you can customize your massage to be as gentle or as deep as you prefer. The design of the chair is just as impressive as its features. The golden finish with premium synthetic leather gives it a sleek and modern appearance, making it a stylish addition to any home or office. Plus, it comes fully assembled, so you can start enjoying your massage chair right out of the box without the hassle of putting it together. If you're looking for a high-end massage chair that combines advanced technology, superior comfort, and a stylish design, the MassaMAX 2025 A305 is an excellent choice. Whether you need daily stress relief, muscle recovery, or a premium relaxation experience, this chair delivers on all fronts. Click the link below for the best price.